Hey guys, how you doing? This is Coffee Chug and welcome to the next Maker Challenge. For this one, I'm going to take you out to my garage because I wanted to show you like what we could do with parts that have been left behind. And so I was thinking about your maker spaces. I was thinking about the educators that don't have a massive budget. I'm thinking about the libraries and the media centers that have a space to do these things. And you collect a lot of things, but you're not sure what to do. And I'm thinking about the parents that just want something to do on the weekend with their kids. And so let me go and take you actually to my garage where I'm going to give you a glimpse of the materials that we're going to need for this project. All right, so the first thing we're going to need, we're going to grab some tools from the tool shelf. And what I want to show you is like, I'm just a normal person. I don't have some beautiful, magnificent maker garage. I'm just a regular Joe Schmo. And so what you're going to need a hammer. And you're also going to need some nails, preferably not the silver shiny brass ones. You're going to need just some regular ones here, the ones that kind of have a little bit of grit on the side. It's going to make your life easier here in a little bit. So you're going to need a hammer and some nails out of your garage. And probably like most of your spaces, I have this bin of just scrap wood that we've used. It's the leftover from when I made 2x4 benches, which I can show that in a future video. But what I do is I keep everything because you never know when you're going to need it. So what we're looking for is just some small, short little blocks. You can either cut these yourself if you don't have any. Just grab some 2x2s and cut them up, or 2x3s would probably be better. But in my case, I've got these blocks that just kind of sit around. So I'm going to grab a few of those, my hammer and my nails, and we're going to go ahead and get started. All right, so I've got my blocks here. I've got my hammer. I've got my nails. A couple other things that you're going to need. This is just my notebook to sketch out ideas. We don't really need that. You're going to need some hot glue. You know I'm not going to do a project without hot glue. It's my favorite. I'm not sure if you're going to need the X-Acto knife, but you might need this just in case you need to do some cutting, but I don't think you're going to need that. You are going to need a solder iron to do some soldering, and you're going to need a couple different materials because we're going to be making circuit boards. And so I've got a battery pack here that we can use. I've got some LED or some light bases that we can add on. I've got a knife switch. I've got a DC motor. We're going to be making all sorts of different options. So these are just some things that you might have sitting around that you could use. So the first thing we're going to do is get our hot glue warmed up, get our solder iron ready to rock and roll. Oh, and more importantly, we're going to need some alligator clips too. So if you got those sitting around, go ahead and grab those.